to Video Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this video tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can rearrange artboards. Well, just basically move them around. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go over to the Artboard tool, and now this is an artboard just as much as any of the artboards with maybe multiple artboards. So what you can do, just select the Artboard tool and then just move the document around that way. And you'll see what happens, this text moves with the artboard. Actually turn that off, just go over here, move copy art, just turn that off, and then you'll see it just moves without. Also, of course, can move it just by setting the settings over here. So you can say 100, so it can move around that way as well. So just quick and easy. Now, personally, I prefer it to be on, so I'm just going to put that back on again. Now, I'm just going to go now to a slightly more interesting document. Now, what I've got is 7 artboards, and I've got a couple of paths included in those artboards. Now, what you can do, just go, obviously, to move them around again, you can just go here, you can just select, and you can move around. So you can actually create quite a messy sort of document, and that's one thing that's really quite nice with the rearranging feature. You should just go around, move it around like that, and then you can go to Object, Artboards and Rearrange. They come up with a little dialog, and you can say just set it to be a grid by row, grid by column, and you also set the space in between. Again, you've got the same option, move artwork with artboard. So if you turn that off, these will be separated from the artboard. So I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to click OK, but I'm going to have them across in a row. So click OK. Do the same thing as well, just by going over to the Artboards panel over here and rearrange artboards options, exactly the same options. So this time I can turn around and say, well, actually I prefer the grid option. So click OK, and then it'll put it as a grid. Okay, so once you've actually done that, another thing, you might want to rearrange the actual artboards in terms of this. Say you want 1, 2, 3, 4, but you think, oh, I want artboard 6, don't want artboard 6 to be there, I want it actually to be further up. So I'm just going to just drag that up, and it does unfortunately zoom in at that point, which is not always what I want, so just zoom out again. So I've got the artboard position, you can move them around, and you can also do the same here with them, so you can move up. So if you want to say put it into the 3rd position, yeah, put it there, at least that time it doesn't zoom in. So you can just move just by select and then move up and down. Now, if you want to actually put that position in the 3rd position, which obviously you want it to be over here, you can now, of course, just go over here to Rearrange Artboards, select that option. Again, you've got the grid, and select there, and you'll notice now it puts it in the third, what it thinks obviously is the 3rd position. So it matches exactly the artboards over here. Hope you found this of interest.